Welcome back to Organizing with Lisa MCH. I am Lisa, a former high school Spanish teacher and all-around digital organizing nerd. Today, I want to talk to you about one of the things that just drives me bonkers, and that is when you are uploading stuff to Google Drive, either from your computer or maybe you downloaded it from somewhere and now you want to upload it to your Google Drive. A lot of times when you do that, it will upload it as like a Microsoft Word document or an Excel or a PowerPoint instead of Google Docs, slides, and sheets, and that's super annoying. So I'm gonna show you how to avoid that. All right, so let's imagine I have this folder, bonus content, that I wanna upload. It's got this Kajabi starter guide, and you can see here, it's a PowerPoint. Spoiler alert, this was originally Google Slides and I downloaded it from another Google Drive. So normally you just drag and drop to upload. And when I do that now, you can see it's bonus content and you can see it's brought it in as a PowerPoint, which is not what I want. Now the long way around this is I can open this as a PowerPoint. Obviously Google's gonna open it in Slides. And once it is open, you can see it's still a PowerPoint. I can go to File and I can go Save as Google Slides. Now it opens up this new tab. I'm gonna close this old PowerPoint one, pptx. And now it is opening it up as Google Slides. And if I X out of this entirely in the original folder, once everything refreshes, there it is. Now I see my Google Slides version and now I can get rid of the PowerPoint version. Great. But that is a lot of work, especially if you have a lot of files. You don't want to have to open each one individually and convert it. So I'm going to show you how to get everything to upload as a Google product, regardless of what you bring it in as. So to do that, up at the top of your Google Drive, you've got this settings, this gear icon. Click on settings. In this box right here, convert uploads, convert uploaded files to Google Docs editor format. Check that box, click done. Now what happens, this is that same bonus content folder. You can see it is a PowerPoint here. And I'm going to go ahead and just drag and drop. It is uploading it. And now when I click on bonus content, you can see it brought it in immediately as Google Slides, not as a PowerPoint. It has gone ahead and converted it for me. So if you upload Word docs, it will convert them to Google Docs. If you upload Excel sheets, it's going to convert them to Google Sheets. PDFs will stay PDFs. PowerPoints will become slides. I believe the same thing will happen. I don't work with a Mac usually at home, but if you have a Keynote, I'm guessing it's going to go ahead and convert that to slides as well, whatever the Mac equivalents are. When you upload it, it's going to make it the Google version. And again, this gear icon, settings, convert upload. You want to make sure this box is checked before you upload your files, and that is how you're going to save yourself a huge headache. If you loved this tip and you want more, please subscribe. A new video comes out every Friday with quick, actionable tips just like this to make your life a little bit easier. I'll see you next week.